Jashalynnstar, back with another video. So if you've seen the thumbnail of this video, I got my hair colored and it's new, it's different, I love it, and I am going to be inserting some clips in here. I'm actually really glad that I got my hair done. I have a little bit of regret, but that's the only reason I'm feeling regret is because I don't do daring things often, and now that I did this, it's something different, so I'm going to really try not to feel that regret in a way. But I really like this color. It's a ginger auburn color, and no, I did not get it bleached. I did not want it bleached. I thought my stylist and loctician did a really good job. I really like the color. I just wanted to say that I really do like my hair. I'm glad that I did it. It's for my 25th birthday. I'm turning 1/4. Am I getting old? I love it. I actually thought about getting my hair just straight brown, but I wanted to go for something different and go for like a ginger auburn color, which is what I did. And I'm actually really glad that I did it. My mom and sister really liked it, so did my boyfriend and my mentor, and a couple of other friends. So I feel really good about this decision. Do I feel like it's a bit much? Yes, absolutely. I do feel like it's quite a lot, especially because I've been used to black or dark brown my whole life, so now this is just something completely different. So I'm actually really excited. I just wanted to tell you that, just wanted to come on here for that. I haven't been on here in quite some time. But yeah, so this is the hair. I will insert some clips from like this actual style, because I just put it up, but it's how it looks in the back. It's not fully ginger auburn. It's sort of like an ombre. That wasn't the intention, but it's sort of an ombre feel or ombre look. But I still like it. I do really like it. No, it's not 100% perfect, but I don't look to be 100% perfect anyway. So I think it's looked really good. And kind of keep sniffing the camera. Oh, now you don't have anything to do? Okay. Anyways, so I hope you like my hair. And I'll talk to you later.